Editing Reels doesn't have to be difficult. There are many video editing apps that are easy to learn and enable you to create stellar content, but it can be overwhelming to choose the best Instagram video editor when every app claims to be the best. So to help you out, we have listed the top 5 best apps for editing Instagram Reels. Keep on watching to learn more about them and their pros and cons. But before we start, please give us a like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Instagram Reels has now become one of the hottest types of posts in the leading visual platform. Just like TikTok, this feature allows users to upload and watch bite-sized video clips like social videos, tutorial videos, or even dance videos, whether it's for entertaining or educational purposes. Since it makes the content much easier and quicker to consume, businesses use Instagram Reels to amp up their Instagram marketing game, boost engagement, and strengthen brand awareness, book more appointments, and even increase the potential to go viral on the platform. That being said, more and more users and businesses are jumping into the Reels bandwagon as a new growth hacking tactic, making it harder for you to create one that stands out and grabs viewers' attention in the feed. It means creating mediocre, bland, and lackluster videos will more than likely to put you to waste. Since the Reels itself still has some limited in-app editing tools, you need to leverage some tools outside the app to ensure that your Reels will be appealing and engaging for users. Not to mention that Reels often glitches when users edit their videos through the feature that can result to distinct visuals and audios. That's why using video editing tools for Instagram Reels comes in handy for many users. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top tools that can help you create better looking Instagram Reels in a faster way and with less hassle. Starting off with number 1, InShot. If you'd like to change the position of the video from horizontal to vertical, or add titles, transitions, or custom text captions to your content, you can do so with InShot. This app is available in the Google Play Store as well as in Apple's App Store. Additional features of the app include footage trimming, speeding up videos, splicing, adding background music and filters, and much more. Take note that the free version of the app will leave a watermark on your work and will only let you work with a limited number of tools. However, you can subscribe to a monthly or yearly plan or simply purchase separate tools if that's all you need. Here are its pros. It is among the most user-friendly apps. It's easy to make changes, has tons of features, and supports collages. Here are its cons. Well, it has no advanced editing tools. It has watermarking in the free version, and it only has single-track timeline. Moving on to number 2, we have KineMaster. KineMaster is a video editing software made for perfectionists. If you want to create flawless reels in high resolution with a professional touch to them, this is certainly the app to try. Record voiceovers and pre-recorded sound effects, create unique animations, and customize your videos any way you want, thanks to the easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. Here are its pros. Feature-dense video editing app. Free version works for most users, and again has a drag-and-drop interface. For its cons, however, premium version is a bit pricey, and it may have a longer learning curve for beginners. Number 3, we have Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is a video editor that comes from one of the world's most known visual content editing brands, Adobe. You can only imagine the number of tools and effects you'll have at your disposal after downloading this app. There are plenty of built-in templates for Instagram Reels you can choose from for free. The easy-to-use interface makes HD video exporting a breeze. With a simple tap of a button, you can publish the newly edited videos as Reels instantly. Here are its pros. It has plenty of video editing features, easy file export, great color and title tools, desktop and smartphone project synchronization. For its cons, however, the premium plan is pricey. It has slow project rendering and lacks storyboard templates. Now we're down to number 4, FilmoraGo. FilmoraGo is one of the best trending video editing software options on the market right now, and it comes with superb features for editing Instagram Reels. With a few simple steps, you can add stickers, text, animations, overlays, and other elements to make your clip more engaging. You can also add your own voiceover, create special picture-in-picture effects, and speed up and slow down your videos. The best part about this app is that you can get access to a royalty-free library to add background music and stir the emotions of your viewers. You can use all video editing tools available by the app completely free. However, there will be a watermark in your exported video featuring the company's logo. You can sign up for some of the premium annual plans for a watermark-free experience. Here are its pros. It has super intuitive interface, easy file export, lots of free features, and free trial. For its cons, however, it has watermarking in the free plan, lack of advanced title and heading options, and learning curve is a bit steep. And last but not the least, number 5, Canva's video editor. Most professionals and content creators know about Canva's features for photo editing and graphic creation. But did you know that the platform offers a video editor too? It works great for making super high quality Instagram Reels that will perform well in the algorithm. Here are its top features. It has hundreds of templates that you can personalize for all your ideas, millions of free images and illustrations to add to your videos. It has a social media scheduler so you can automatically post your videos. Also, you have an option to have your videos exported, scheduled, and published anywhere. It works for TikTok videos, video slideshow, video collage, YouTube video, Instagram stories, and Instagram Reels. And you also have team collaboration features. In conclusion, if there's a simple method online marketers need to use to engage their audience and raise brand awareness on Instagram, it has to be Reels. Which app did you find the best match for your needs? What features are you looking for in an editing software for Instagram Reels? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section down below. And I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can turn every prospect into a client using a hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages? Get 3 times more replies, 325% more conversions, and more sales from every message you send by using SellerPix by Technic Force, a multi-platform hyper-personalization. Bring home new clients every day. SellerPix is the most powerful personalization suite. It supports multiple campaigns. You can customize unlimited landing pages, create unlimited image variations, send unlimited emails, and has ever-growing public template library and free credits every month. So try SellerPix now. Just go to gosellerpix.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.